Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add extensions to Shift browser. So let's get started. First of all, let's open Shift, and now we need to go to Settings. To open Settings, click on the gear icon at the top right. Now scroll down to the very bottom and select Advanced Settings. Just click on it. Okay. On the sidebar, we have to go to the Extensions tab. Just click on it. And finally, we are here. On this page, you can find all your installed extensions. Now I have only one, Planet Search. And to find more extensions, you can go to Chrome Web Store. So just click on this link. And after that, we will be taken to this page. So this is official Chrome Web Store where you can easily download any extensions. You can just scroll down and find the necessary extension, or just type in the search box the name of the extension. For example, let's type here DeepL. This is a special AI translator. Click here. And to install it, just click on the blue button, Add to Shift. Click on it, add extension, wait a bit, and that's all. Now you can see here the Remove from Shift button, so this means that the extension is installed. So you can go back to the extensions page, and here you'll see this extension. So this is how you can easily add extension to the Shift browser. Hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.